Hello everyone. Today I picked up two things. I picked up a Fujifilm X-T3 and I picked up a cleaning kit. It's pretty convenient that these two objects arrives at the same time, because this Fujifilm X-T3 has a small issue. It has a sticky button. The button here where the play button is sticky. Most of the buttons are normally quite clicky. We're gonna see if you can hear that sound. While the play button here is sticky. Undoing it is pretty simple. To do this, I'm gonna use gasoline, which is a specific gasoline that you could buy in convenience store. It doesn't come from a gas pump. And yeah, there's probably someone in the comments section now starting to write something that this is not a good idea and that you should use isopropyl alcohol. I disagree with that, because isopropyl alcohol, unless it's 100% clean, just alcohol, contains water. And if it contains water, it's not a good idea to have that on your electronics. However, the X-T3 is a weather sealed body. So behind this bottom, there's a seal, or should be at least, and this seal should prevent any liquid to get inside the body and do any damage. So let's change to the top view and start the cleaning process. This is the camera and this is the bottom that we're going to clean. I'm going to remove the eyepiece just so you could see clearly. The thing I start with is to get some of my gasoline, and I'm gonna get it on the earbud. This might be just enough, and I'm gonna put it around the edge here on the button. That made it. Now it feels just like it should. So quite simple. If that wouldn't make it, the other option would be to simply put some gasoline on the brush like this. Could be a toothbrush as well, would make it works well. And then you would just brush around the edges like this. And it's loose. And now you clearly have the right feeling in it. So this Fujifilm X-T3 is now ready for business. I hope you like these videos that are a little bit shorter. And this is the second video I'm doing that is related to camera maintenance. Before we looked on how you can clean your sensor, and this time we looked on how you undo a sticky button. It's, as you see, extremely simple. There's no reason for you to send away your camera and be without your camera for weeks and pay a lot of money to fix something that is this simple. Most of the time, what makes it sticky is just that something got in there, some sort of sticky residue, and when you put something like the gasoline on it, it's gonna dissolve it. And it does that very quickly. Just add some drop and push it a couple of times and it's back to normal. If you like this kind of videos and you want to see more of my content, click up here to subscribe and click here to see a full playlist related to camera stuffs. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.